Excellent. So there we go. So we've just looked at the information management policies. Now we're
No,
gonna
the
look.
folder, the same thing, the folder.
A folder is the same thing. It's another content type. Yeah.
Mm.
Folder is a set of documents.
Yeah, which is library, yeah?
No, library has multiple folders. A
Mm-hmm.
folders can have multiple files, or the library can have files.
Mm-hmm.
Are clear?
Like I was speaking about say,
So you have a library, and then you have documents, or you have library, right? You have folder, and then document. Both are possible. Yeah.
okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Next, we're going to look at the workflow options there. Workflow is something which is very, very interesting and very important for any business. So I'm going to click on workflow and say add a workflow. There are some default templates available which needs to be activated. So I go to my site actions, site settings, go to my top level site settings, which is site collection, and then I go to my site collection features, and then I go down here and activate SharePoint workflows. Okay, that so aggregated set of out of the box workflow features. So I'm going to now activate this. Once I activate this, I get a set of workflows. You will see what that is. So I go to my resumes, I go to my library, go to my workflow settings, I click on add a workflow. See? Previously there was only a couple of workflows. So approval workflow is a template where you can have multiple approvers approving something. Collect signatures is multiple people can provide signatures, not the pen signatures, but more of just say sign, that's it. And then feedback, and then provide a feedback as well, right? Now these are some default templates available in SharePoint 2010. Excellent. Now we're going to have unique names. So I'm going to add a resume approval workflow. So let's say resume approval workflow. Okay. Now every workflow has got a task list and history list associated with it, which means whatever happens in the workflow goes in this tasks list, and whatever happens in the workflow, the history goes inside this history list. I have start options, so I can say start this workflow when a new item is created, right? Excellent. Or when a new item is changed also. Then I click on next. So when I click on next, I have the approvers. So the first approver is going to be the HR admin. Next approver is going to be user 1. So I'm going to have two approvers. Request is please approve this resume. Now I'm going to say that automatically reject the document if it is rejected by any participant. Automatically reject the document if it is changed before the workflow is complete. Which means during the workflow, somebody changes it, delete it. Somebody changes it, reject the workflow. So now I'm going to go and provide the permissions for the people who are involved here, HR members, and then I'm going to add, right, I've got to have user 2 here who is going to now upload a document. So let's just start.